Hi dear friends, today I have one refrigerator. It is side by side. This brand wise Siemens brand. This refrigerator we can switch on. The power is taken to the machine, but not making cool. Because of that, we went to the customer house and we check already, but it's difficult to find out. Because of that, we collected from the customer house to our workshop. Now I'm going to check this fridge. What is the problem exactly? This fridge model is this model KW K93 MVL. We have to check properly. We have to check first of all control board, and this is inverter system, BLDC motor system. This compressor. We have to check. First of all, we have to check power control box and compressor. If unfortunately overload not working, compressor not working, also something happened with the some defecting with the inverter PCB. This fridge having two control board. One is main board, other one is inverter PCB. We have to check both PCB and we will check what is the problem exactly. After that, we can give a permanent solution. Cover. Now we have to remove the control box from here to from the this one. We have to lift up. After that, here it will come like that. It's very easy. We have to take it up and take it out. After that, we can remove the this one terminal clip. Also one earth wire here. Now we have to remove this cover. And remove. After that, we have to check this overload. If unfortunately is defect, the compressor not working. We have to remove. You can see the overload here. This is for the safety for the compressor. Yes, overload protector is okay. That one no issue. Now we will keep it again here. Put the compressor. Compressor is showing winding. Overload protector. Overload check continuity. And 11 showing kilo ohms. Also 11 kilo ohms. Also 11. No body with the no grounding, but continuity is showing 11. That means it's when I'm measuring, when I checking with the multimeter, it is working fine. Working. That's mean continuity showing fine, but compressor not rotating. We will check here. Power supply, how power supply is supplying to this properly or not. Now I selected 750 watts volt. We have to check now. Have to check the power passing or not to the compressor through the inverter PCB. Now I will give the power. Now you can see the power suddenly coming 4 to 6, 4.6 like that going back, because it should pulse with the main PCB, inverter PCB and compressor, because this compressor not getting start, because of that only permanently is not showing, but power 3 phase, it's making 3 phase what 65 is coming to the control board. Two screws are there. Now this is the main supply. This continuity, this wire going to inverter control board, power going through this one. We can check this one power 230 supplying or not. We will check like this. We can check this blue and brown 230 power already supplying. You can see the power supplying already. That's mean main control board no issue. This two relays for the compressor contactor. After catching this two contactor, the compressor should run. Now we can check here also continuity power. Here this one coming one time power, at the same time compressor should start. Now this control board no issue. We have to check the compressor only. This compressor winding and all showing properly, but compressor not getting start. This is the problem. We can replace the compressor. Before replacing compressor, we have to check whether after giving power it's working or not. What I'm going to do now, every this control board and inverter control board, everything I check, it is as per the checking, it is everything's are perfect. Now I'm suspecting only this compressor not working, because all the continuity is showing correctly, but compressor not getting start. Because of that, what I'm going to do, this compressor is working running condition. I remove this compressor from another fridge, and I'm going to check this one, and I'm giving to connection here. I given connection. We will check now. It should work actually, and we can check now. I given current, I given power. Now these two catching this relay contactor. After that, this compressor should work. Now one is already catch. Now see, this compressor is working. That's mean 100% now we can understand the compressor already got damage. But any technician while during this job is getting confused, because this compressor, which is fixed one, already new one, with the fridge one, it's not working, but continuity everything showing correctly. but this compressor we can fix for this fridge also. This capacitor and this capacitor same. This one LG brand compressor. Also this one side by side fridge compressor. Now it's very difficult to understand which part of defect, because while we are checking continuity, everything's are perfect. Now we know 100%. If I don't have this compressor, I am also getting too much confused, because I'm not able to check with my meters. Now I know 100%. This inverter PCB also okay, and main control board also okay. Only defect this one, and I have to replace this compressor, and we can hand over to the customer. Thanks for watching my channel. Now I think everybody learned something about this fridge compressor and control board. And thanks for watching again my channel, and we will meet with another video. Thanks.